colours and then 3 different widths as well. Look, it's so pretty.
It's not going to stay.
I can't do it.
Hey, what up?
Any self-respecting Christmas tree decorator knows that you start with the lights. And I think everything that I got, mostly, is literally from Lidl. Like, this tree was like £13 maybe. I got these lights as well. Oh my god, they come with batteries. I just got this little tree. This year I'm trying to have like the Christmas that I want, even if no one else wants to get involved. This is the Christmas that I want. So I bought myself a little tree because why not? It's gonna make me happy. And I've got really festive. I've currently got some orange slices drying out. And now the whole flat smells like, I keep wanting to say onions. Oranges. And there's a spider in it. Go away! I know he's in there. When I was younger, I was a big fat control freak. And as much as I wanted to have like a fun festive moment with all my family decorating the tree, I also wouldn't let anyone decorate it with me because they were going to do it wrong. Cute. Lights are on. Oh. And then, like every other girl and their mother, I'm not doing ornaments this year. I'm doing bows. Oh yeah. I got these are from Dunelm actually, these ribbons, because that's what's close to me. How the fuck do you tie a bow? Am I dumb?
I'm making a bow. I like to leave my ribbon on the reel so I don't waste it.
That hasn't worked. Oh wait. That's kind of cute. That'll do. Fuck it. Okay. Look. I did it. So clever. That one didn't work. Actually, I might. How did I do it? I did it the wrong way around. That is perfect. Cute. I'm gonna cry. Rustic and gorgeous. Let's keep going. This is so much fun. This lighting's getting on my nerves. Oh my god, this is so cute. Take a shot every time I say cute. Okay, I've got my oranges. Cute. And I think, because I'm worried that because they're dry, but they're still wet, basically. And they're still kind of sticky, and I'm worried that I'm going to get like flies in hands and stuff. So I thought I might like hairspray them. I just thought that seemed like a good idea. I also don't know how I don't have any string or anything. Should I just balance them on like I have with the... It looks so cute. Let me put it into position and then I can see what it's really going to look like. Ready? You've missed a few days. 7. Hold on. Sit. Good boy, Paul. Good boy! You do the big, like, statement ones first. match me.
Well, I'm holding this. You give me this towel. You have to hold that.
3, 2, don't be nervous. I can't get up.
Yeah, so awkward.
Stop
Just
pulling
look.
me. No.
No, look, pick up there.
Ow! I can't do it.
So stupid.
Yeah! Oh.
It's not going to stay.
I can't do it.
Look, you did not reach that.
Wait.
I'm quite proud of it.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm going to put this
That'll do. Do you reckon? What's it saying? Oh, no! Why is it working? The light's not working again. Someone else do it. It's not working.
You need to like stuff the tree in it.
Oh, I can't see! Yay! Oh, it does look pretty. Doesn't it, Pet?
She's like, yeah.
God, I'm sweating. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks to you for helping me put the tree up.
It's alright.
Yay! Christmas. Did
Yeah,
you have fun?
yeah, it was awesome.
Was it stressful doing the tree with me?
Did most of it.
Right, well, that's a lie. That is a big fat lie. How are you excited for Christmas?
Yeah, mega.
Yeah, you seem it.
Mega excited
Yeah,
for Christmas.
seems that way.
Love Christmas.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're going to finish watching Harry Potter and we're going to have an epic and awesome evening. Hopefully I'll see you guys before Christmas. But thanks for watching. Live, love, love. Merry Christmas. 'Tis the season. Kisses. 2 kisses.
Do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to?